Okay, so I had a video request to show how I animated my logo in Canva. This is going to be hopefully a really quick video because this is really easy, really simple. So I'm just going to start out with my logo already in place here. It's already on the background that I prefer. So whatever your design is, you're just going to use it based on what you already have. So all I'm doing is selecting my logo, looking for the option for animate right here. And so in my case, I used old TV, but there are quite a few other options that you can try under animate. And I should mention that, you want to start with a logo that is already, either uploaded to Canva, like, for instance, if you didn't create it in Canva, it would be like a PNG file, something with a transparent background. But, if you start with text that you made in Canva, the animation options may be different. So if you need to, you can, export your logo and then upload it as one file, one piece, and then you'll get more of these options to animate things as a whole. This is the old TV option that I used. I did it for, my outros for YouTube. And so this is just a simple way to do that. And then you adjust the speed and it's really just as simple as that. Now, again, there are other options that you can use, things that, you may find, more favorable as far as the things that you would like to do, but this is what I chose. And so that works for me. So simple, super easy, quick and to the point. Hope this helps. See you next time at the Creative Lab.